Hello guys, welcome to the last video, and it is time to finish our project. Okay, what do I need here? Okay, I need to finish my function calculate. I need my quadratic formula, and then I'm gonna start it by it. So I'm gonna click here, and then I'm gonna do my quadratic formula. To do so, I will create here two state vars related to the possible roots. So I'm gonna copy this one just to make my life easier. I'm gonna paste it here twice. So instead of delta, it's gonna be x1 and it's gonna be x2. Okay, we're gonna need this to do our quadratic formula. So I'm gonna tell the computer that x1 is gonna receive the value of minus b plus the square root of delta divided by 2 multiplied by a. But how are we going to do it? How are we gonna do it here? Okay, let's think. I need to have my number b, right, is a negative. Okay, so what am I gonna do here? I need round brackets because I'm gonna tell that my b, it's gonna accept doubles, can accept decimal numbers. Right, so this decimal stuff is also between round brackets, and to make it negative, I cannot just put the sign of minus before it. We need to do a math trick that is multiplying it by -1. So exactly what I am going to do. -1 space multiplying. Okay, I'm gonna tell the computer that x1 is this -1 multiplying b. Okay, so with this I made minus b. Okay, what else do I need now? I am gonna add this result to the square root of delta. So I am gonna write here delta. Okay, I need the square root of it. Okay, it has to be between brackets, and then I have brackets again because the square root has to be right here. There is a code. Oh, this one here. Oh, I have the parentheses here, the round brackets for double numbers. It would be easier if you just tap here. So I'm gonna delete this stuff. I have this square number, and inside of it, it's gonna be my double. That will be delta. Okay, I'm gonna have the square root of it, and this result will be divided by 2 and multiplied the double number that can be decimal number, accepts decimal numbers, double a. Okay, let's see what's the error message here. Expect separator. What do I need to separate here? Is it? Okay, exactly. To make my life easier, I'm gonna copy all of this x1 here, and then gonna paste here on the bottom, but instead of x1 it's gonna be x2, and instead of plus it's gonna be minus. Okay, now I have the two possible roots when delta is greater than 0. To finish the trick, I will work with the messages. I have just a message, the message 1. That's the message when I do the result of delta. So I'm going to copy this to have the possible root results. So I'll do message 2 and message 3. What's the trick here? Here, when delta is greater than 0, I already have a message string saying that delta is, and then whatever is the value of delta. I will do the same thing. I'm gonna copy this thing here, message, copy, and then we're gonna paste it twice because there are two possible roots. So I'm gonna change here message 2, great, and message 3. Amazing. They are gonna accept strings, I mean text, and then here I'm gonna say that x1 is, and then here I'm gonna have the value of x1. Amazing. Same thing here. And to make my life way more easier, I'm gonna get and copy this message to here, copy and paste it over here. Great. So when delta is 0 equals 0, I'm gonna have only one possible root, so I choose this x1 to have the result. I'm not sure if it is the best way. You can check it later, but for this project I'm gonna do just like that. Okay, and oops, now that I have my quadratic formula here, let's fix what's gonna be shown here in the message. Okay, I think I'm gonna modify the piece of text that we have there. Okay, the foreground color, it's gonna be white. And oops, sorry, I'm missing the dot here. The modifiers have to start with dots. And then I'm gonna change the font. So font, then dot system. I'm gonna change the font system size, weight, design, everything. How big can it be? I'm not sure. Let me see, maybe 10. Bold and rounded. Okay, to make my life easier, I'm gonna copy this thing and make it more 2 times here. Then I'm gonna change message 1 by message 2 and message 3. I think it would be a good idea to make it a bit smaller, like 5. Let's test. Okay, testing time. Okay, 1 minus 5 and 6. Let's do our trick. And then this is the way it shows up. Too small. Let's make it bigger. Okay, I'll change here. Instead of 10, it's gonna be like 20. Okay, 20 is fine. And here it's gonna be like 15 and 15. Oops, 15, 15. Okay, I think they are decent. Great. Now I'm also adding some padding here to have a little bit more space between the results. Oh, Jesus. Oh, okay, I like the way it is right now. Padding all. Testing time again. 1 minus 5, 6. Okay, I like it the way it is. Now, I think it is time for you to add some results here that match the if statements here and see if the answers match your expectations. Okay. Also, I can see the way it looks like full screen. 1, 5, oops, it's minus 5 and 6. Okay, it's kind of cute. So guys, that's it so far. I hope you liked working with it. You can add more things you need or more things you want. Use your creativity, and good job.